Welcome to the four-wheel camper showroom. Behind me is the Hawk slide-in base model with rollover couch. We're going to do a walkthrough starting with the exterior passenger side. Up top you can choose between a couple awnings, and on the roof we have a variety of customizable roof rack options. Coming around the back we have this standard window and porch light. You can choose to add additional lighting on the exterior of your camper, such as floodlights in the back. If you chose to add the furnace option, here you would have an access door for your propane. You can also add other features to the exterior of your camper, such as steps that help you reach the roof. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side, we have a nice clean slate. If you opted for our furnace, you would have an exhaust panel here. Now let's pop the top and check out the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Hawk slide-in base model with rollover couch. Now our base models provide an open floor plan, which give you a lot more space in here and options to store gear. With the base models, you can choose to add additional seating. So that can be a front dinette, side dinette, or in this example, a rollover couch. The rollover couch is just what it sounds like. It provides a lounge for during the day and transforms into an extra bed for additional guests. The other great thing about the rollover couch in this model is that it provides a bunch of underneath storage. With our base models, you'll have these benches on either side of your camper. Underneath is some additional storage and a place to access your tie downs. On the driver's side, this is also where you'd be able to add additional options. So for example, your furnace would live right here, and in this model, they added some solar, so we have storage for solar batteries. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. When it comes to the pop-up portion of your camper, you have 4 windows, 2 on each side. Each has a screen layer, a clear layer, and a privacy layer. If you want to add additional insulation to your camper, you can also opt for our thermal pack, which helps with light and temperature control inside your camper. Up top, we have 4 dimmable LED light switches and a powered fan. If you want additional circulation in your camper, you can put another fan in the front of the camper above the bed. As for the front cab over area of the camper, this is where we have our slide out bed. This size is a queen, but you can also choose to add a king size bed, which allows you to sleep in any direction. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. Again, this is the Hawk slide-in base model with rollover couch. To customize your own rig, check out our Build My Camper tool on the website, and we'll see you down the trail.